Have you ever had our vanilla buttercream Smith Island cake? The buttercream is sweet, creamy, and delicious, and today we're going to be sharing with you how to make it at home. Perfect for any cake, cupcake, or occasion. Start with 2 sticks of room temperature unsalted butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 4 teaspoons of milk mixed with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and salt to taste. Whip the 2 sticks of butter on high with an electric mixer for 5 minutes, scraping the edges as needed to make sure you get all the butter evenly. After 5 minutes, you will see that the butter has now doubled in size and is light, fluffy, and much lighter in color. Sift 1 cup of powdered sugar into the butter to eliminate any clumps and mix thoroughly. Sift in the 2nd cup of powdered sugar and continue mixing until fully combined. Pour in your milk and vanilla extract mixture into the buttercream and mix well. Sprinkle in salt to taste, or about half of a teaspoon, and continue mixing. Now that your buttercream is complete, you can take out the beaters and give them to someone special. Take a piping bag and piping tip of your choice and assemble as necessary. Roll back the edges of the bag to make it easier to fill it with the buttercream. Once your bag is full, pipe your delicious buttercream onto whatever baked goods you have waiting. Thank you for watching and enjoy!